A whiter smile can brighten your face, boost your confidence, and even help you look younger. Tooth whitening lightens or removes surface stains and discoloration caused by aging or exposure to tobacco or darkly pigmented foods and beverages. For best results, first visit your dentist for a thorough cleaning. There's no right way to whiten. Results depend on your natural tooth color, the type and degree of staining, and the whitening method you've chosen. Whitening treatments will not lighten fillings, crowns, or veneers, and it's not recommended if you have gum disease, worn enamel, or cavities. The most dramatic results come from professional whitening, which can be done in a dentist's office or at home. For in-office or chairside whitening, your dentist will cover your gums with a protective gel, then apply a whitening agent to your teeth for 30 to 60 minutes. Sometimes a light or laser is used to activate the whitener or to speed up the process. You may need several visits to reach your desired level of whiteness. To whiten at home, your dentist may make a custom-fitted tray for you. If you have a custom tray, fill the tray at home with the whitening gel and wear for a period of time during the day or overnight, as directed by your dentist. A custom tray is more comfortable to wear than one you buy in a kit. Its better fit helps lessen gum sensitivity by making sure only teeth are in contact with the whitening solution. Your teeth should look brighter in a week or two. When done properly, whitening is safe. However, as you whiten, teeth may feel sensitive or gums may become irritated. If this happens, talk to your dentist. He or she may advise taking a break from whitening or suggest another treatment option. To keep your smile bright, brush your teeth twice a day with a whitening toothpaste and floss once each day to help control staining between teeth. Remember, whitening is not a one-time solution. If you continue to expose your teeth to things that stain, you may need to use whitening treatments periodically to maintain a bright Colgate smile.